Preparing a case. Here are the general guidelines. Minister's obligation to disclose all documents and information. Immigration Division Rule 3. When requesting an admissibility hearing, hearing officers have an obligation to provide all relevant evidence that is in their possession to the Immigration Division and to the person concerned, or counsel if applicable. For a list of documents, refer to Immigration Division Rules, Rule 3. Hearings officers must disclose to the person concerned or counsel, if applicable, and to the Immigration Division the following documents at least 5 days before the hearing. Request for admissibility hearing, that's the form BSF 524. Notice of admissibility hearing form BSF 525, and notice of rights conferred by the Vienna Convention and to the right to be represented by counsel at an admissibility hearing form IMM 0689B if applicable, and a referral under subsection A40-42 of the IRPA for an admissibility hearing form BSF 506, and a copy of the A44-1 report that sets out the allegations and all other documents, evidence, or information that will be used to support the minister's position. In the case of a 48-hour or a 7-day detention review and an admissibility hearing that are held at the same time, all documents must be disclosed as soon as possible. In all other cases, documents must be disclosed within 5 days before the hearing. That is under the Immigration Division Rule number 26. Note, all documents must comply with the requirements set out in the Immigration Division Rules 24 and 25 with respect to language and format. And also another note, if the person concerned has retained counsel, the hearing officer will ensure that copies of the relevant notices and documents are sent to counsel. That's Rule 28.3. So every time I represent somebody on court hearing about inadmissibility hearing or deportation order, I always receive all the documents, and that is coming from the Immigration Division. The hearing officer should also make sure that in compliance with the requirements of R227, family members who are accompanying a family of a foreign national and who are the subject of a report pursuant to A44-1 have been duly informed of the hearing to be held concerning them by forwarding a completed copy of the notice of admissibility hearing to family members, and that is the form BSF 540, to all parties. The hearing officer should confirm that all information intended for the ID was sent to the registry office.